I'm David Beadle. Here's what's happening from RateAlertNow.com. 30-year mortgage rates experienced another increase on Thursday after an auction of $32 billion in U.S. 7-year Treasury notes went badly. Once again, the lack of strong bidding pushed the awarded yield higher than expected. The national average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is now at 4.75% with 3 1/8 points, up a quarter of 1 point from Wednesday, for an extra cost of $250 on a $100,000 loan. The two-day total is $1,000 higher. The 5% rate is at 1 3/4 points, also up another quarter of 1 point from a day earlier. Remember, 1 point is worth 1% of the loan amount. This means 1 point is $1,000 on a $100,000 loan and $2,000 on a $200,000 loan. When it comes to a 2-point loan, that represents 2% of the loan amount. This means 2 points is $2,000 on a $100,000 loan and $4,000 on a $200,000 loan. The national average 15-year fixed-rate mortgage was up a quarter of 1 point as well, with the 4.25% rate now at 2 full points. The 4 3/8% rate is at 1 3/8 points. In order for you to know when to lock your floating fixed-rate mortgage, you have to have an early warning system with immediate news on changes in current rates and points before they occur throughout each and every business day. That's where my Rate Alert Now service becomes essential to your rate lock strategy. I'll tell you via regular email and or mobile text messaging when current rates are about to go up. And if you act quickly, you may be able to reach your local mortgage originator by phone to lock your rate before the mortgage company becomes aware of what's going on and changes its rates. The cost of my service is less than $1 a day. First-time claims for weekly state unemployment benefits fell to 442,000 in the most recent survey period. However, much of the drop was the result of a change in the seasonal adjustment factor. On Friday, we will see the update on March consumer sentiment from the folks at the University of Michigan. That's what's happening. I'm David Beadle. For full details on my real-time mortgage rate alert service to help you beat the system, visit RateAlertNow.com and check back here on Friday morning for my next free mortgage rate update.